Hello mga ka-travel! Kumusta na kayo? Well, recently, marami tayong nakikitang post sa social media about immigration, being offloaded, and nakakasad pero true, marami pa din talaga ang no-offload. Kaya ngayon, pag-usapan natin how to avoid getting offloaded. Tips to avoid being offloaded. Ano nga ba yung mga dapat gawin para iwas offload sa immigration? Number 1, always bring your yearbook daw. Joke lang. On a serious side, to make sure na di kayo ma-offload, here are the tips. So follow their guidelines and make sure na meron ka kung ano yung mga dapat dalhin kapag magta-travel ka. Once nasa immigration counter ka na, do not forget to smile. Give your passport and boarding pass and do not forget to greet the immigration officer. Kung ano ang tanong, yun lang ang sagot. While answering their question, make sure na nakatingin ka sa officer with a smile syempre. Depende sa situation, depende sa assessment ng IO, minsan may nahanap pa silang docs to support your message or your response sa mga tanong nila. Ano-ano nga ba yung pwede nilang hanapin sa'yo? So usually, if employed ka, hinahanap nila ang company ID. Make sure na meron ka din COE and payslip to make sure ready ka kung hahanapin nila. If self-employed ka naman, make sure may proof ka, like permit, DTI, or BIR registration. Remember kung ano nga hanapin nila, yun lang ang i-present mo. Well, not required, pero if may savings account ka, be ready na din kasi minsan may naghahanap talaga. Or if may CC ka, they might ask for it din. Be honest and answer direct to the point. Huwag nang paikot-ikot pa. In general, they may also ask for your return flights, proof of hotel booking or tour package if nagbook ka sa travel agent. If mag-i-stay ka naman sa mga kakilala, be ready with their information like address and their contact number kasi they will surely ask for it. Most important, huwag kang kakabahan. Relax lang, chill lang, and good luck to your journey. I hope nakatulong ang simple tips ko, and for more, please follow and palike na rin. Thank you!